See a trick, bud? Yeah, alright, not bad.
Run. Run.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Yeah, you taste it. What do you think? Something funny about yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure because it's got this kind of taste of like yeah, it's definitely dog food. We demand shut up, I'm talking. We demand oat milk. Yeah. I need oat milk because I'm lactose. Can we get catnip? I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah, I'm vegan.
Okay?
I'm vegan.
Oh, no, 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 no.
See how many taps you can get in before your cat attacks you.
Why are you like that?
Why am I like, what?
Like that, like you have to throw everything off the counters.
Well, excuse me for trying to make sure that the gravity levels in this house are safe.
You're not checking for gravity levels.
Yes, I was.
Whatever.
Well, one day when you wake up next to a space station cuddling a space monkey, you're gonna be like, oh my god, I should appreciate my cat. And I'll be so judgy all the time.
Let it go.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Are you with me, lions? The choice is yours, son.
Good boy. Nope. Don't even think about it. Nope. Nope.
Oh, wait! Hang on! Stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy! Please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it!
Run. Run.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
How to gift a kitten to your cat. What is this? Oh wait, I like it. I really, really like it. Okay, it's mine now, thanks.
It's so bad. Me. It's so bad. No, no, no. That's a sin. No.
Living with a black cat is kind of like living with a sassy shadow, a fashionable gargoyle, a solar-powered Halloween decoration, a tiny moody night dragon, a roaming judgmental feather duster.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
No! God! No! God, please, no! No! No!